Alright guys, hanging out back here at the back of my property. Wanted to cook myself some lunch. Trying to experiment. Thought I'd bring you guys along. Stick with me, let's see how this thing goes. Alright guys, what I got going on today for lunch is I'm going to try to experiment with some egg drop soup with ramen noodles. Just something cheap, good hearty meal. And I'm going to do it on the Pathfinder PMF40 and see how it works out. Got everything in this old military haversack. This was given to me by Ken Barrett from South Georgia Bushcraft at a recent gathering I was at the Woodrunner School. So I've been using it to store my PMF40 in and use for now, and it works out great. So shout out to him, thanks for that. Let's get started. Got a rubber band around it. Check this out. Set it right here. Alright, that's what I got in here. My lid off. A couple eggs, an egg container. Today I actually brought hot chocolate. A folded cup. Got my solo alcohol stove. I got my Rothko canteen cup and lid. All right, let's get started. Now let's give this a little shake. That puts some alcohol around the rim so it'll light easier. Got our heat coming out. Go ahead and fold up our legs. And let that prime. Pour in enough water to cook the ramen in. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this pack of ramen noodles right here and take out the sauce pack or the spice pack here, and then I'm gonna let this come to a boil. I'm gonna go ahead and start heating me up some water for some hot chocolate. All right, I'm gonna set this off for just a second. Looks like the water's about ready to start doing some things. I'll dump my sauce packet in first. Well, not my sauce packet, but my seasonings. And they're all stuck together. Let that boil for a minute. Alright, I'm going to give that a quick stir. Just to get that broken up in there. And then, I've got some dried peas, carrots, and green beans. And I'm just going to add them in there, let them start rehydrating. Some tinfoil here. Right. Give that a quick stir. I'm going to add in my ramen noodles. And give that a quick stir real quick. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break a couple eggs into my canteen cup. I'm going to give that a quick stir just because I want to get it nice and mixed up. You don't have to be perfect, but mixed up. The water's getting pretty hot, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this hot chocolate into this mug. A little folded cup. Go ahead and pull that. Dump that in. Let that be sitting here. Alright, it looks like that's starting to cook down a little bit. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start drizzling this in. It brought it almost to a stop. Alright, I'm gonna check that egg. Start slowly checking it. Just a couple minutes here. Should be good. Alright guys, I believe it's about done. Let's get it off the heat. Alright, let's go ahead and just lift up this screen here, set it out of the way, drop the snuffer ring on. Let's go ahead and sift some of this out into a bowl. Actually, move that bowl so let the alcohol stay right away and put that on the ground here. Get out of there, Leaf. Alright guys, let's give it a try. That is very good right now. That's hitting the spot. It's also very hot. I gotta be careful not to burn myself. Of course, hot. Right now it's 35 degrees out here. So this is hitting the spot. So I got, like I said, peas, carrots, and green beans in here. And noodles and this egg. It's a lot of protein, carbs. But I mean, it's just delicious. Let's try some hot chocolate with it. Let's see how that hot chocolate mixes up with it. Oh man, I'm usually a coffee guy, but every now and then I do like some good hot chocolate, and this just hits the spot. Pulling it when I did versus this, I could have probably left this on another 30 or 45 seconds and that would have paired well, because I need to let that cool just a little bit, but it's not too cold or too hot right now. It's just perfect. So this is awesome. All right guys, I'm gonna sit here and eat my meal and then I'll wrap this video up. All right, if y'all stuck around and now, thank you for joining me on this quick lunch break real quick. That was great. Still loving this Pathfinder PMF40 alcohol system. It's very versatile. It's awesome. You'll probably see me try out at least one more alcohol system this year, so stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be for a little bit more elaborate cooking, but I can do some pretty elaborate cooking with this, and then as well as some other stoves, some cooking gear, some other things. So if you like that kind of thing, you know, please like, share, and subscribe. I intend to do some camping, fishing, hunting adventures, some reviews for that type of gear as well. So just like I said, guys, thank you for sticking with me. Have a good one.